going to be making an Israeli favorite known as
Israeli chocolate balls.
In Hebrew, it's called Kadorei Shokolad. And this is a really well-known recipe only by Israelis, not so much by tourists, because usually it's made in the home with family or for birthday parties, at picnics. It's easy for anyone to do, and it's a lot of fun. So I hope you'll join us.
נשב על המרפסת ונספור ציפורים נודדות, ילדים בחופשה ישחקו תופסת בין הבית לבין השדות. עוד תראה כמה טוב יהיה בשנה הבאה. עוד תראה כמה טוב יהיה בשנה הבאה. ענבים האדומים יבשילו עד הערב ויוגשו צונן.
The first thing we're going to do is grab 2 packages of your petite biscuits, and we're going to dump them both into a Ziploc bag. Mash them up until it's the consistency of rice.
שנים רבות מספור, אני שואל ומתפלל, טוב שלא עבדה עוד התקווה, עובר מזמור מדור לדור, כמעיין מאז ועד עולם, אני שואל ומתפלל, טוב שלא עבדה שמי עמוד האש עוד קם, אשיר בלי די, אפרוס ידיי, וידידיי אשר מעבר ים, אני שואל ומתפלל.
Alright, we have now washed our hands for the second time as we get ready to roll and decorate our Israeli chocolate balls. You can use any kind of decoration for this, but here I have some blue and white sprinkles, which will make our chocolate balls really pop. You can use colored sprinkles, really anything you'd like. Some people decorate it with nuts and give it more of a savory taste with some honey.
Sounds good.
Yeah, or you can roll it in some more chocolate if you'd like. It's really up to you.
More chocolate.
More chocolate for you.
Over the more chocolate.
Okay, so get ready to get a bit messy. This is the fun part. We are going to take some of the chocolate into our hands. We want it to be probably about an inch.
Tell everybody where you learned to make these.
So I actually learned how to make them when I lived on Kibbutz Suba in the Judean hills in Jerusalem during high school, a semester in high school. It was through Nifty's EIE program, which is now called Heller High. Pretty fun.
It is.
It's one of the best times of my life, living on a kibbutz in Israel. Alright, so if you are giving these away as gifts, leaving them by someone's door for a little quarantine sweetness, maybe you can package them up in some nice blue and white Israeli bags, or little box, whatever you find, whatever you have around the house. I'm sure they'll enjoy it any way you can give it to someone. Should we try them?
Sure.
As we say in Hebrew, b'teyavon.